Now we're going to take a quick look at part 1 of the test. This part contains 3 speaking tasks. Do you remember the preparation time and speaking time I mentioned in the previous video? These are going to be slightly different for each of these 3 tasks, so be sure to pay close attention to them as you're practicing. In the first task, Independent Speaking Type A, you'll be asked to talk about something from your past experience, often from an educational context. Maybe you'll be asked to talk about some aspect of your educational background, for example. Oh, and one more thing. We briefly mentioned the evaluation criteria for speaking tasks in the previous video, and I just wanted to point it out once more. Remember that you'll see this on the left panel of your speaking screen. In this case, you'll be evaluated on the content of your response and the accuracy of your language. Alright, moving on. In the second task, Independent Speaking Type B, you'll need to express your opinion on an issue. Typically, it's academic in nature. For example, you could be asked to give your opinion on an aspect of your high school experience, or some study habit. And same as Type A, in this task, you'll be evaluated on the content of your response and the accuracy of your language. And lastly, there's speaking on a visual. This one's a little different. This time, you'll see a diagram of some sort, and you'll need to describe what you see and draw a few conclusions from the data. You'll be evaluated on the content of your response, the accuracy of your language, and your ability to reference details in the image.